From Wall Street to Main Street, this is LALATE.
It's a big Sunday morning on Mornings Crypto with the latest cryptocurrency news you need to know this Sunday morning. We'll go over where the cryptocurrency movements are this Sunday. Are we in a downturn, as viewers have been asking me? Or are the cryptocurrency coins you want to invest in of 2021 going up today? We'll go over the top coins to invest in, the best coins to buy. We'll understand where the cryptocurrency charts are heading and whether the coins are going to the moon or going to the tank today. Will there be a buying opportunity this morning or this afternoon, or will it be another flat Sunday? We'll be jumping into all the major coins. I'll be going over different trading opportunities for you, whether you're buying, selling, or flipping, or day trading. We'll be going over a wealth of coins for you to choose from, not just one. We'll understand where the market is by looking, of course, at Decentraland, an engine coin, and also LivePeer. Yes, that's a very surprising chart. And then this chart, can you imagine that one? Boy, oh boy. Kyber Networks. Then, of course, we'll be looking at other coins you need to look at, like Bitcoin and also Ethereum. We'll be understanding where this market's going and how we need to get there, and we'll be going into the split screen as well, and be looking at where the market is turning this Sunday morning. And with that, thank you for joining me on Mornings Crypto. How are you? Boy, we had a lot of stuff to cover this morning, and it's Sunday, and you know what Sunday means. Buy an opportunity? Yes or no? We'll find out in just a second. But first, subscribe. This is LALATE, the fastest growing cryptocurrency channel, 400,000 subscribers in 1 year, a YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. I want you to subscribe. Next with you on Evenings Crypto tonight at 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and then Overnight's Crypto, which just ended about 2 hours ago, our most watched Overnight's Crypto show ever. 15 hours of programming, and boy, you are in there like and just loving it. And I was answering your questions. People were asking me about Doge, SafeMoon, Cardano, and other coins as well, platforms, and what my anticipation was about this afternoon. So don't miss that Overnight Crypto show. It was a massive hit last night. Thank you for tuning in if you did. We'll be going into the split screen, but in just a second, and understanding where this market is. But let's start by looking certainly at the coins. You saw some bizarre charts in my opening remarks. Let's look at where we are right now. So there's Bitcoin. This is a 1 day chart. So let's pull with my mouse. There's my mouse going. See how the day started, 35,000, warning signal. We're below our warning level. Tell you about that in a second. And we went almost to 34,000, and then we shot straight up. Interesting. Now, I want you to see that chart because I want you to see if that chart repeats itself in other coins or if it doesn't. Then we go to Ethereum. Interesting. So relatively flat, 2,500. A nice fall there, but then a rebound. Not as big as the Bitcoin drop. And then trying to go to 2,700. Okay, that looks like a Sunday rally. What's going on with that one? More about that in a second. Which brings us to Doge. Far more severe drop. Look at that one. I don't know if I can grab it on the screen, but yeah, I went to 36. And then now relatively flat. So not going higher, just staying flat. Interesting chart. Polygon, which a lot of viewers are trying to buy today, took a very big hit, but not as big a hit as you want to before you buy it. Went to $1.40 and then came up flat. So this is a flat chart. Notice my mouse. This is all basically flat. And then we have those bizarre charts, if you saw in the opening remarks. What's going on with those bizarre charts? Let's look at some of them right now. They were like, here we go. They were like Engine, took a little bit of a dive. And then this one, LivePeer. What is going on with LivePeer, folks? Now, LivePeer has been one of our coins that we were stalking to try, potentially buy today at $11. And as you saw a series of coins that had the same chart, why is this LivePeer's chart? This is LivePeer's 24-hour chart, which looks nothing like the other charts out there. So LivePeer is in some type of downturn. Let's look out further on what's going on with LivePeer. Yeah, Now, you know what the price target was on LivePeer, $11. So LivePeer may give you the opportunity to buy cheap today while other coins may not. Here's our buying opportunity, $10, $11. So LivePeer is at 25. It is usually a $30 coin. So it is definitely tanking. And if you thought that makes sense, then look at this one. Yes, that's a chart. My goodness. Now, there could be a lot of other reasons why that chart looks like that. It could be some type of reporting mechanism that's really at issue. But look at this bizarreness. You would definitely want to pull up Kyber Network on other platforms to make sure the chart conforms like that or does not. All right, let's go into understanding where this market is this Sunday morning. It's currently 10:15 Pacific Standard Time, and let me tell you where we are right now. So we knew that there were two possible events for today. And so far, it looks like it's becoming one, and not the one we wanted. We had two possible events, which was going into Saturday. Saturday is usually a very, very big high day. This is how generally Friday to Saturday goes the last 3 weeks. It generally goes a little bit up on Friday and then straight up on Saturday to its highest level the entire week. And then Saturday by 11 a.m. starts to downtrend. And then by Sunday about 4 o'clock, it gets to its lowest level. But last Saturday, we didn't do that. Last Saturday was relatively flat. And then Sunday was flat. So it gave you no opportunity to buy and no opportunity to sell. Very boring set of days. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday, we were relatively flat, but we were coming down. And we saw Bitcoin at 35,000 and we saw Ethereum at 2,500. So while we were flat, we were still in sort of the trigger zone to go lower. And I told you two possibilities. If you're flat on Saturday, you're either flat on Sunday or tanking on Sunday. And I said you would generally see a downturn that takes many hours. Well, the day is still early. But if you still see us relatively flat in about 2 hours from now by about 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, Sunday may be another flat day. It may be deja vu all over again. It may be last Sunday all over again. If we're not starting to downturn across the board by about 1 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, we're not going lower. Unless there's something totally unpredictable that is totally different. Because Sunday is generally an erosion day where it just sort of erodes and gets worse and worse hour after hour. We've been relatively flat and boring. And guess what? This market's been flat and boring for a while. And flat and boring doesn't make you money. A coin that goes up 3% and then down 3% every day doesn't make you money because no one makes money on 3% return on their money. There's no money in that, and certainly not in cryptocurrency. So here's what you need to know. The reason why people get in cryptocurrency is big returns on their money in short periods of time that they cannot make in stocks. You can buy a beautifully, very stable, very simple Fortune 500, S&P 500 stock and get 20% return on your money in 2 or 3 months with a nice dividend. Why would you be in a crypto coin at 3% during that same period of time? So you go to cryptocurrency to make big returns in short period of times. And that requires some element of investigation. And we're going to go over it right now. There's 3 types of buying opportunities that we are focusing on this channel. Buy and hold, buying and flipping, and also day trading. So buying and holding is 3 coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Doge. For Bitcoin, you want to buy it at about a 31,000 or 33,000. Certainly not the moment. That ain't happening. So would you buy Bitcoin at today's levels? No, I would not. Now, ultimately, some people just rather wait things out. But no, you rather buy Bitcoin very, very cheap. Why? Because you're going to put it away and look at it in a few years from now. Bitcoin will go to 100,000. So if you want to buy it at 31,000, put it away at 33,000. Put it away, it'll go to 100,000. Ethereum, you want to buy Ethereum really cheap, 1,500, 1,700, 1,900. Put it away. It'll go to 10,000. But it's not at that level either. Now, here's what's interesting about both of those 2 coins. They both have trigger spots, which I report on this channel. If Bitcoin gets under 35,000, we're going lower. If Ethereum gets under 2,500 or at 2,500, we're going lower. Both of those events have occurred in the last 24 hours. So there's still a possibility we could be going lower. Bitcoin, Ethereum may be a little bit higher right now, $1,000 more, but they keep on heading around those trigger spots. So we could still be going lower. And maybe it's not today. Maybe it's going to come on a strange day like a Tuesday again. So that's the first thing. Next, Doge is also a buy and hold coin. So if you buy it cheap. Don't be buying it in the 30s. Don't be buying it in the 40s. Buy it in the 20s. Give yourself some time and just get in and then put it away, and it'll go to $1 or something in a little bit of time. Now, which brings us to our buy and sell coins. Our buy and sell coins are our coins we're going to buy low, sell high. We're going to buy it at a market correction where the market gets cheaper, the market goes down, and then sell it at 200% return your money or 300% of return your money. Now, understand why I'm using that benchmark, because why would you buy cryptocurrency if you're going to make 5% return your money? You're not. You're buying crypto to get 200, 300% return your money in 3 days, 4 days, and get out, get that profit out. And those coins are Polygon, Decentraland, Engine, and LivePeer. Let's look at the chart and understand why. Well, first, let's understand how it works, and then we'll understand why that event has not manifested itself yet today. So for Polygon, for example, you would be buying it at 80 cents, selling it at $2. Engine, buying it at 80 cents, selling it at $2. Decentraland, buying it at 50 cents, selling it at $1. And LivePeer, buying $11, selling it at 33, triple your money. But you have to get down to those price points. You have to get the coin has to start to fall in price, get cheaper, cheaper, cheaper. The coins have not done that yet. So as we look at the market right now in split screen, the coins have not done that. We have a sort of split market today. Some coins are up, some coins are down, but they're not moving a lot. And so if they ain't moving a lot, they don't give you opportunity to buy, they don't give you opportunity to sell, and they really don't even give you opportunity for the third type of trading mechanism, which is day trading, buying and getting out of the coin within 24 hours. The coins aren't moving much. So these are relatively boring movements today on a Sunday. But again, it's an early part of the day. We are still early on the day. So let me jump into some of the coins right now and look and see where we have those opportunities. There is, of course, the opportunity with Polygon and also with Engine. So with Engine, there you see your 24-hour chart. It looks like the Bitcoin chart. It looks like the Ethereum chart. It had a nice fall here, but now it's sort of bland, boring. No one's making money in type of this stuff. So what should you think for Sunday? It's just early. It's just early. The event may still manifest itself. LivePeer, however, that's the 3-month chart. Let's pull on the 1-day chart. LivePeer is just in its own universe at the moment. So if you want to really, if you want to do a 3-day flip with LivePeer, you need to watch it separately from what else is going on right now. Because as you just saw, Engine, I'm about to show you Polygon, they aren't doing anything for you yet today. They haven't fallen yet. But LivePeer is tanking. So LivePeer may be an opportunity at $11. It is a $33 coin. Let's go out to the 7 days, show you how far it's fallen. So there you go. Pretty big fall. I mean, last week it was 23. It's right now 25. But understand how much of a fall this coin can be. There is the third market crash. $11. That's why I always say buy a LivePeer at $11, sell it at $33. But even if you buy 11 and sell at 22, you double your money. So this is sort of a no-brainer. If LivePeer continues to erode throughout the day and you can buy it at 11, yeah, you may want to buy it at 11. I don't know what's going on with this Kyber Networks one, but it sort of makes me laugh when I look at it. Now, Kyber Network has been doing strange things like that, so do not worry. It's just sort of, how it acts. Let's, with that, go into the split screen and look and see where we are in this market, coinmarketcap.com. And I think you sort of know what it's going to say before I even just go into the split screen. You're going to say the word that starts with a letter B. Boring. It's a boring day in cryptocurrency once again. I have a feeling it is. So let's go into the split screen and see how this market is delivering us today. So there you are. On my side is coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com. It lists coins based upon the largest investment in that coin. Bitcoin, of course, first, biggest coin. First number you're going to see is the price the coin currently selling at. Next number you're going to see is what range that coin has moved in the last 24 hours. So I'm wearing red, Sunday red for you. Not that I'm winning a golf tournament. I'm not going to win a golf tournament today, but I was hoping that the coins would go cheaper for you today. So I was hoping for a red day, a down day, so we get our coins and get in and get out on Wednesday. We could wear green on Wednesday and sell out on Wednesday, but we're not getting it yet. Now Bitcoin is down a little bit, but very little. You're going to look at the 24-hour chart, and the next number is going to be the 7-day chart. So Ethereum is up 3%. I'm laughing because that's all Ethereum seems to do. Up 3, down 3, up 3, down 3, or down 3 day after day after day. But Bitcoin is literally negative 0.38%, which is like zero. I mean, it's just boring. No one's going to buy coins like that. Cardano, flat. Doge, flat. And when I mean flat, it means it's less than 1% down or less than 1% up. It's just sort of boring. It's flat. Everything is flat. We're at number 15 on market capitalization. Okay, there's Solana. So I stopped for a second. Solana was one of the coins I recommended before these 3 market crashes. And we've had a couple of days of Solana up 4, 5, 6% day after day after day. So Solana is up 7% again today. Let's pull up that 7-day chart on Solana to see why is Solana continually delivering days up and days up day after day. What is going on with Solana? So let's open that chart on Solana and take a look right now on the split screen. So Solana, if you look at the 7-day, it started 7 days at $28. Wow. And it's now $43. Boy, that is a run. That is a run. So the coin is up almost $20 in 7 days. What is Solana's story? Solana was one of the coins I recommended before the 3 market crashes. People were making a lot of money on Solana. After the 3 market crashes, Solana didn't come back. It stalled. It was down day after day after day. But in the last 7 days, it's had a run. Now, before the 7 days, we pull out to the 3 market crashes. Why do I pull out the 3 market crashes? It fell as low as $23 for the 3 market crashes. But it once was $55 a coin. When I was recommending before the 3 market crashes, I pull out even further. Yeah, so this is a $55 coin. So, good point to get into it now. I don't think so. I think it's going to go up about $10 more. And $10 on a $40 coin is not much of a return. Which brings us to Polygon, 157. So sort of boring. That's what it was yesterday. It's flat. Stellar flat. Everything is sort of flat. Going down the list, Moreno, which had a nice day, pop this week, flat. KUSAMA, another coin which I recommended. It's exactly the same situation as Aave or Solana. They were coins that I recommended before the 3 market crashes. Viewers were making 30, 40% return in a few days. But then after the 3 market crashes, it didn't come back. Today it's up a little bit, but not a lot. And that brings me to Shiba. Someone on the overnight chat asked me, what do I think about Shiba? I would not even buy Shiba. If you don't own it, do not buy it. How do I make that clear? If you don't own it, don't buy it. And if you do own it, I'm sorry. That's all I can say about that one. Yeah, I just think it's a junk coin. I just think it's a horrible, horrible investment. Did I say that clearly? Tezos, up 6%. Interesting. So nothing really. Oh, okay. So let's pause. You see my eyes. Why? Because we have a coin that is suddenly popping off the page. Let me go into the single screen. This is what I was doing. I was going down coinmarketcap.com. I'm looking for any coin that has anything notable in an uptrend today. It's up nicely because everything else is flat. 1% up, down 1%, up 2%, down 2%. It's boring. And then suddenly I'm looking for a coin that maybe has 20% up for today. Why? This is what I call my day trading coins, potential day trading coins. If any coin is up 18% when the whole rest of the market is flat, then maybe that's a coin I want to buy and sell by the end of the day when it goes up 40% or 30%. Because it's having a breakout. Kyber Networks had that a few days ago when it went up 100% in one day. So there's waves, up 11% right now and up 24%, WAVES. So that may be a coin that I may want to pull out and look and see. If in another hour or two it goes to 20% up, I want to get in. If it's just going to stay 11%, I'm not interested. 11% is not interesting. There's a lot of coins that go up 11% for a day. The big deal. But if it's starting to indicate that it's going on something else, then maybe that's the opportunity. UMA and Theta Fuel were two coins which had day after day very good runs. And I was thinking that UMA might be, another stalker coin. At the moment, it's flat. But if you look at UMA's chart on Gemini, if you use the Gemini platform, it has a very interesting chart. So consider UMA among the coins you may want to stalk. And with the rest of that, there you go. Boring top 100 coins today. Now I go into the second page of coinmarketcap.com, and it literally is exactly the same, with the exception of Enzymine, up 37% today, up 117% for the 7-day. Oh my goodness. So Enzymine. Now, immediately you're going to say, what? Where do I buy Enzymine? So if you're on the second page of coinmarketcap.com, a lot of the coins may not be available on coinbase.com and not available on Gemini. You may have to go to a second tier provider like crypto.com to buy something like Enzymine. But look at it. It's up 36%. It is clearly a day tradable coin at the moment, up 120% for the 7-day. Let's open the chart and see why Enzymine, which formerly was Melon. I would have preferred Melon because I could pronounce that better. Let's look at this chart. Oh boy, this is a beautiful chart. Wow, what a gorgeous chart on this coin is. This coin, let's pull out further. This is a coin that once was $111 in May. Got hit by those 3 market crashes, went down to 45. Imagine some people bought at 45. And now it's at 157. Imagine some people bought this coin at 45 and it went to 157. Now, if you pull out the 3-month chart on Enzymine, this was like a $40 chart in March. This is a $40 coin in March. It went like this, and then it went like that, and now it's going straight up. Boy. But if you look at the last 7 days, this coin has gone straight to the moon. I mean, this coin is absolutely on fire. I have never seen anything like this. So there you go. That is a Melon, MLN, or Enzymine, up 38% right today. Boy. Anything else that is really sort of breaking out? We're into the top 200 market capitalization coins. So we're going into sort of lower tier. There's Strike, STRIKE. It's up 48% for today, up 42% for the 7-day. Let's look at Strike and see why Strike is having a beautiful strike today. Let's pull up the chart. Wow, that's a weird chart. It's basically a flat coin for 7 days, and suddenly it breaks out. If I look out the 1-month chart, 3-month chart, ooh, scary. Scary. Do I like it? No. That, you see my reaction. I'm looking at the chart one after another, and I'm like, interesting. And then you look at the 3-month chart, like, oh my God, that's a scary coin. you know what a scary coin is. A coin that people just lost their shirt on, and now other people are trying to make a run on it. Yeah, God bless them. So now as we look forward at 23-minute mark of this video, as we look forward to the rest of the day, what should we know? Buying opportunity, selling opportunity, what should we know? First of all, it's not a selling opportunity. Is it a buying opportunity? Well, for LivePeer, if it continues to erode, it may be. LivePeer was, I guess a second ago, it was $22. So if LivePeer starts heading to $18 by noontime on the West Coast Sunday, LivePeer could be at 11 tonight. LivePeer may be an option of something to buy. But for general market erosion, we got about 2 more hours to see if we're going to start to downturn, because we haven't downturned yet. As you see, this is not an up day, and it's not a down day yet, with the exception of LivePeer. It's a very, very, very flat day. Everything, if you look at coinmarketcap.com, everything is 1% up, 2% down. It's just very, very boring, flat. So what does that say to you? It says that we have a few more hours to see if it's going to get cheap tonight and give a market crash. Otherwise, we just have to sort of roll into another day, and the market crash could be on an off day, because we if we go back to our benchmarks, Ethereum 2,500 or Bitcoin 35,000, we have been at those levels in the last 24 hours, and they just keep on staying around those thresholds. So until they stay outside those thresholds for a while, like Bitcoin stays above 37,000 for a few days, or Ethereum stays above, 2,800 or 2,700 for a few days, then we're always just a blink away from another market correction. And with that, let's understand where we want to buy and how we want to buy and how we want to prepare. First, buying and holding. Bitcoin, 31,000, hold. Ethereum, 1,700, 1,500, hold. Doge, anything in the 20s, hold. Flipping. Polygon, 80 cents, flip out at $2. Get out at about $2. Decentraland, 50 cents, get out at $1. Engine, 86 cents, 80 cents, get out at $2. Live Peer, in at 11, get out at 33. Now, you may want to get out at 22, but if you want to be more aggressive, out at 33. And then our day trading coins, nothing yet. Day trading is usually exemplary when coins are going up, when there's enough upswing in the market. Unless you want to go to these tier 2 providers like a crypto.com, maybe they have that particular coin, which I'm covering in this video. Finally, understanding your risk assessments and understanding your risk loving and risk hating. Most viewers of this channel like risk going in, but don't like risk going out. So they rather be aggressive on the buy side, but conservative on the sell side. Here's an example. They understand that they are happy buying Polygon if the market's getting bad at 80 cents, with a risk that Polygon may get worse than 80 cents, because they believe that Polygon has been far in excess of $1 for a very long time, that ultimately they will be cash positive on the coin and generally hope that they'll be turning a profit. On the sell side, they're conservative on the sell side. So they know that Polygon has never gone above 230-ish approximately. So they will sell out at $2 because they want to get their profits. They're not going to hold out for an event like a $4 Polygon, which has never happened. They will be conservative on the sell side. Another thing that I found this morning, which is also very helpful, is if you're on Gemini and you're looking at a coin on the coin's own page, the coin's own respective page, pull down on that respective page and it'll show you a line that says the highest that coin has gotten. So it'll show the all-time high on the coin. That is at least on the app version. I don't know if I can show it to you here on the web version. In fact, I've not even checked if it's on the web version. So let's see if it is on the web version or not. I don't think it is. But on the app version, it'll show you its all-time high. So that is very helpful across the board. And with that, let me jump into the live chat and see any of the questions and comments you may have. If you have any questions or comments right now, drop them in the live chat, and I'll answer your questions on coins, buying opportunities, your thoughts, your questions on a particular coin, or your questions on a particular investment approach. Let me jump into the live chat right now and see if there are any questions, if I can find it. There we go. Internet computer. That was the... That was last night's live chat. I have so many live chats on the screen here. So let me find this live chat if I can. Hopefully I can find it somewhere here. And I think it is here. No. Well, it's somewhere here. Maybe it's there. There you are. And let me see some of the questions. So, is someone behind you? No, that's the window. There's a reflection in the window. That's me. Oh, you got someone got back rent. Well, congratulations. Cardinals red. Yeah, yesterday someone said I was wearing Kansas City blue. I guess it's Cardinals red. Hysterical. Very, very funny. So with that, Thank you for joining me on this morning's show. I'm back with you next on noontime LA at about 11 a.m., maybe about 11:15. And then, of course, evening's crypto is at 7 o'clock. I will be taped. That show will be taped right before it airs. So I will go over what the market is doing right before that show airs. We will see if we're downturning. Of course, you'll probably see it before I do. But I'll also give you my predictions for Monday and Tuesday if we remain flat going into Sunday afternoon. And then we go into Overnight's Crypto. Thank you for joining me on Overnight's Crypto. So 2 more shows on crypto today. Evening's Crypto is 7 o'clock and Overnight's Crypto right before that. So make sure you subscribe. 400,000 subscribers, a YouTube record. Next stop, 1 million. Fastest growing cryptocurrency channel for a reason. Comprehensive coverage of all the major coins, all the different trade opportunities, and more. Also, like this video. 3,000 likes. Every like helps. Stay informed, stay focused. Have a beautiful morning, and stay with LA for more.